Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to put about secant of s squared over secant of s squared. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to tank of s. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both side, and we have like this. And the next one about this one, that is about 1 minus tan s squared. So I will put this one going here, tan s. We can put about u. This one we change by u. Secant of s where the s we change for the u. Now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to t squared because I want to cancel the square root. So I will put this one going here, this one going here. The u that is about this one. This one that is about t. This one we have t to the power of 4. So 2t with t we have 2t squared. So this is about identities. So we can put like this. Next, we can do another identities in here. That is about 1 minus t multiplied by 1 plus t. Next, we can use about partial fractions. So I will put 8 over 1 minus t, b over 1 plus t, and ct plus d over 1 plus t squared. Because we have the power number 2, so on numerator we need to reduce by negative number 1. So we have t to the power of number 1 in here. And we need to create id until we got t to the power of number 0. Now we can do common denominator. So this one, it is missing about 1 plus t and 1 plus t squared. So capital 8 multiplied by 1 plus t and 1 plus t squared. About this one, it is missing about 1 minus t and 1 plus t squared. So capital B multiplied by 1 minus t, 1 plus t squared. About this one, it is missing about 1 minus t, 1 plus t. And now we need to expand this one and this one. And now we need to arrange based on the terms of t. About t to the power of 3, we have 8, negative b, negative number c. About t square, we have a plus b minus d. About t, we have a minus b plus c. About the numbers, we have a plus b plus d. So we need to compare coefficients. We just have only number 2t squared. So that means a plus b minus d equals to number 2. We don't have this one, and this one. So you got number 0. And now we create the system of equations. And now we need to find the solutions of A, B, C, D. And this is the solutions of A, B, C, D. So we put A, B, C, D colon here. And now we have the final answer. About t, that is about this one. So we put the square root for the both sides, and we have t equals to the square root of u. So we need to transform this one in here. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.